Instagram just refuses to work. Nothing loads, reels won't play, stories are stuck, or maybe the app crashes every time you open it. Don't delete Instagram. Most of the time, the problem is actually really easy to fix. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and in this video I'll show you simple 6 fixes to fix your Instagram app. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. Fix 1 is force close and reopen. This is the fastest fix on the list and it takes less than 10 seconds. Just swipe up to close Instagram completely. Now wait for 2 seconds, then open it again. Sounds too simple, right? But it fixes the problem more often than you would think. If this did not work for you, then let's move to fix 2. Fix 2 is toggle airplane mode. Sometimes Instagram is fine, your connection is the problem. Just open your control center, then turn airplane mode on. Now wait for 5 seconds, then turn it back off. Now hold for 3 seconds after airplane mode is disabled. This forces your phone to reconnect to the network from scratch, and that often fixes loading problems instantly. Fix 3 is check your VPN. A VPN running in the background is one of the most common reasons Instagram suddenly stops working. And the most people never think to check it. Just open your settings. Now tap on General. Now scroll down and tap on VPN and device management. If a VPN is connected, disconnect it or remove the VPN profile completely. Then reopen Instagram and test it again. If Instagram still not loading, the problem is probably deeper than the app itself. So now we are going to reset the phone's connection settings. Moving on to fix 4. Fix 4 is reset network setting. Just open your settings. Now tap on General. Now scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Then tap Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode and confirm it. Your phone will restart. Once it turns back on, open Instagram again. This clears corrupted network settings that can stop apps from connecting properly. Before trying anything more drastic, make sure Instagram is not down for everyone. Fix 5 is check if Instagram is down. Before changing anything else, verify that the problem is not on Instagram's end. Open a browser and search for is Instagram down. Now open down detector. Now look for a spike in outage reports. If thousands of people are reporting problem at the same time, Instagram's server are likely down. And if that is the case, there is nothing wrong with your phone. You will simply need to wait for Instagram to fix the issue. Check back in about 30 minutes. If the servers are fine and Instagram is still frozen, then the issue is probably inside the app itself. Which brings us to the final fix. Fix 6. Offload Instagram. This is the strongest fix in the video. Just open your settings, then tap on General. Now tap on iPhone storage. Now find Instagram in the list and tap on it. Before you tap Offload app, there is one thing you should know. This is not the same as deleting Instagram. Tap Offload app. Offloading removes corrupted cache files and temporary data, but it keeps your account's saved posts, settings and personal information intact. Your account and data stay safe. Hold for 2 seconds now. Once the app has been offloaded, tap Reinstall app. Now open Instagram again. You are now running a fresh, clean version of the app. And that's it. I hope one of the fixes definitely worked for you. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.